Nowadays, it seems like AI agents are everywhere and everyone's talking about them. But if you're just getting started, or you want to learn more about the different use cases of agents, then we've got just the thing for you today with the newly released Agent Spotlight. Now, the Agent Spotlight is a collection of free and open source agents that the Agentuity team has been working on. And you may have seen some of these in our social media and blog posts, as well as during our demo days that we have on YouTube. But we wanted to have one place where it could be really easy for you to look at agents that we've built in the past and ones that we'll be building moving forward. So let me show you what the Agent Spotlight looks like. So if you head over to the agentuity.com website and you click on this Spotlight link, you'll see a bunch of agents that we've already created for you. And these cover quite a few different topics, from news scraping and research to code development and assistance, and even some sales and marketing related agents. And of course, you can go ahead and click into any one of these, and you'll get some instructions on how to get things started, as well as a link to the GitHub repo where you can check out some of the code. But there's actually an easier and better way to get all of this set up if you see an agent that you like and you want to start your own project and customize things to your own liking. So let me show you how that works. So if we go back to this Claude Code agent, which is just an example of using the Claude Code SDK with an Agentuity agent, you'll see on the right here that we have this Deploy with Agentuity button. And so this is what allows you to deploy an agent on your own personal account. So let's go ahead and click that and follow the instructions. Now, if you don't have GitHub connected to your Agentuity account, you'll have to go ahead and do that. So we're going to go ahead and follow these instructions, but you can always come down here to the settings in the Agentuity Cloud app and add them manually in the integration section. That's also where you can add Discord integration if you don't have your account connected yet. But in our case, we're just going to go ahead and follow these instructions, and I'm going to go ahead and connect my GitHub account. So when I've installed and authorized everything, you'll see that I have my GitHub account connected. And from here, you can always add a deployed agent and connect it to one of your GitHub repositories. And you can also take advantage of auto deployments. So when you push changes to your production branch, that'll automatically deploy your agent. And you can also use preview environments if you want to test things out before they go live in production. But for now, since I have the GitHub integration set up, I'm going to go ahead and click that deploy button again, and this time everything should work. So now when I click the deploy button, you'll see this deploy from GitHub page, and it's got the README for the project, as well as the agentuity.yaml file that has some of our project conventions and configurations. But as you can see here on the left, when we follow this process, we'll be able to create a new repository, and this existing project will be copied into that. And so you can change the visibility of the repo where this all gets stored, but we're just going to go ahead and choose private, and I'm going to keep the default name as well. So we'll just hit continue, and it might take a second, but we should see a deployment very soon. So now we're going through the final steps of the deployment, and there you go. The new project is ready, and we're going to be redirected to it. And just like that, you've got a project from the Spotlight into your own account. And just like with any other Agentuity project, we can go ahead and add some inbound and outbound connections, or send a command, start a session and see what happens, check the logs to see exactly what our agent is doing. And we can even add other agents to expand on this project. So all of us are super excited about the Agent Spotlight, and we'd love for you to try it out. Now, I do want to mention that contributions are welcome and encouraged. So if you have an idea for how to expand one of our existing projects, or you want to create a brand new project, we'd love for you to contribute to the Agentuity Agent Spotlight. We want to build a community of like-minded folks that are working on AI agents and building cool things. So we'd love for you to add your own ideas. Now, if you want to contribute, let me show you how that works. So if we head back over to the Spotlight, you can see this Add Your Agent button. So if you just follow that, you'll see this contribution guide, and it'll walk you through the steps of getting everything set up and getting your project on the Agent Spotlight. We can't wait to see all the things that you build and add to the Spotlight, but until then, thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.